Clearly, we need to be able to change the data values in the rows of our database. We do this with the SQL update construct. Update can be used to update single or multiple data fields in every record of a table, or we can update single or multiple items in only those records which match specific criteria. We do the latter by using a where clause. The structure of the SQL update is simply update table name, set field name to field value. It's accomplished by the script update table name set the field name equals value in quotes, comma, set another field name equal to some other value, comma, until you get to the last field name that you want to update, set final field name equal to the value you want, in quotes, and that's the end of the statement. That statement will update every record in the table name. Most often, though, you'll want to restrict the records that are updated with a where clause, and we can tack on to the end of this statement where some field name is equal to some value, or where some field name is greater than some value. For example, we might have where ID is greater than 6. So the update will be done to all of those records where the ID is greater than 6. Or it might just be done to all of those records where the name is equal to TMIT. Like all the other SQL statements we've dealt with, the update is very simply converted into PHP. We simply put each line of the SQL statement into double quotes, and we assign the value of that statement to a variable, remembering, of course, to execute the value of the variable at the end and to check whether it returns a true value, in which case we would return some success message, or whether it returns a false value, in which case we'd return a failure message.